This is me, Ibrahim. Welcome back again to Describing the Ibrahim. As an English learner, always try to record myself and describe any kind of object in English so that I can improve my speaking English. So currently I have come far away from my house. It is another village. So I have come in a mustard flower field to record myself and make a videos. So I'd like to say that if you are an English learner, you have to describe anything in English, you have to record yourself. That will help you to improve your speaking English, and it really helps me. To be honest, it helps me to enhance my speaking English and confidence. Last 2 or 3 months ago, I couldn't speak very well in front of mobile, but now I'm confident. I can speak very well in front of mobile, and I can say anything in English. So I know, yeah, I make mistake. To be honest, as an English learner, I make mistake. It is common. Everyone make mistake. So don't think about that. Yeah, we people what think? We people say that if we make mistake, if we upload in social media, my classmate, my friends, my family members, and many people, my neighbor, they can criticize me if I mistake. They can laugh at me and they can say anything. Please don't think about that. You are in your journey. There is no end to learning English. If you think that when I will be a great English speaker, then I will record myself, then I will record a video, then I will say something in English. No, it would be impossible. When you are a learner, you have to say that. From that time, you have to describe anything in English. You have to come in front of mobile. You have to record yourself and say something. That will help you to be a great English speaker. And as well as so that's the reason that I have come and in a mustard flower. And I'd like to say that you can notice that the flower, it looks very beautiful, yellow flower, and it has bloomed in cluster, I can say. And the plant, you can see it is green in color. Look at the leaf and the stem. This is called a stem. This is flower, this is plant, and this is leaf. So everything looks awesome, and a farmer has planted. Maybe very soon he can harvest. And okay, to be honest, I think it is not a kind of business he's not doing. Maybe for himself or for his house he has planted, because there is no bigger area, and he didn't take bigger area to harvest, to plant a mustard flower. He has taken a small field to plant this flower, and for his family maybe he has done it. And in my village no one plant mustard flower, but many days ago I thought that I can make a video about this flower. That's the reason I've come from far away here, and today is Friday, so I've got time to record myself or record a video. So that's the reason I've come here, and I'm saying something about this field, about about myself, and in English I'm saying something. So I hope that those who are English learner, those who are beginner, they should record themselves. They should say something about any kind of object that will help them to be a great English speaker.